y'all, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be doing another wig review. This wig is from Nadula, and now y'all know I love me some Nadula. They've been holding me down since college, since high school, so I'm a big fan of Nadula. If y'all go way back in my channel, I have bundles from them that I still have till this day. So Nadula, if you're watching, sponsor me, baby. Before we get into this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you can see more videos of me. I ordered this wig back in the new year. This was like my first wig straight out the new year. I think I ordered it around January 3rd, January 4th, one of them days. But I was like, I need a new wig. I never had this color before, and I really wanted to try this color this year. I just know I wanted a wig like this, and I also wanted a curl like this. So I was like, let me just get it. Since it's on my mind now, let me just treat myself, you know, new year, new wig. I think shipping was about a week and a half. This wig is 24 inches. Comes down to about my waist, and I'm 5'1.5", so you get the picture. It's pretty long on me. I like where it comes. It literally comes to like my hip, but you know, curled up obviously is gonna look shorter. This is the Nadula number 33 red brown Auburn human hair wig. They don't got no periods in this. Pre-plucked lace front colored wig for women. It was $192. I think with tax it added like $12, so it came up to like $220, something like that. It is transparent lace, 13 by 4. It does seem a little bit like short. It seemed like a 13 by 2, because when I tell y'all it's not really that much parting space, like it's really not. I think it literally stops here. This stops right here, so right here to right here. And then when I try to do a middle part, the middle part is way longer. I feel like you can do more with the middle part, but I really wanted the side part with this look. So I was like, let me just finesse it and see. So I really like this wig. Obviously I wet it and I put some mousse in it to make it, you know, make it come to life, you know, make it do that thing. If you want to see how I installed this wig, keep watching. Before we get into this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you can see more of me.
Like you, like you, like you. mercy. I keep pausing like I do. 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 Always love in my jeans. You can get up in between. You're trying to get up close to me. I can teach you a couple of things. I keep pausing like I do. I keep pausing like I do. She's so persuasive, that marijuana. She's so flirtatious. How does it feel to be so persuasive? That marijuana, she's so flirtatious. How does it feel to be? Feel like the feeling of a suppress. Feel like I got no breath. Feel like I need it rest. Feel it's the season I should let go, and that's the reason I'm about more. Feel it's the season I should fly so low. I'm so sedated, and she's so persuasive. This isolation, so sweet you could taste it. But 8 in the morning, moonlight y'all be yawning. It's 3 in the morning, and I'm still performing. She's so persuasive, that marijuana. She's so flirtatious. How does it feel to be so persuasive? That marijuana, she's so flirtatious. Keep it going. How does it feel to be alive? Let me break it down till it feel right. How does it feel? I'm so aligned and so that when I'm self can't get a vibe. I wait me too many get that line. I ain't getting control. It's the flu.
Thank you guys for watching. If you like the way I installed this wig, let me know down below. If you have any questions, let me know down below. The link for the wig will be down below, so be sure to check that out. I also want to give you guys like a month update, so you know, catch me back here in a month, and you have to subscribe to me to see my month update. Duh. Yes, like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification bell if you really love me, and I will see you guys next time.